So we're thinking it might be there. If you go along this fence line down here.
Hello.
Where's it at, Carson?
Right?
It's right there. Yep. Let's move right there. See the black line? And then it goes along into that hole and that hole. It's right there. And then we managed to skip quite an area and found it over here.
I made that really clear.
And then more down here.
I haven't really done that much, but you can see it. Now you know.
We skipped quite an area and found it here on the other side of this tree. Found it there. Found it there.
And
found it here. And then it curves. And it takes a right turn into this box right there under those clumps of mud. So, in short, the pipe comes up and it turns, goes up through that tree, and actually turns around this way and then goes up. It bends like a snake and then it goes up towards where Matt is. So the logical thinking is that it either runs along this fence up to the corner, or it crosses the fence and goes straight over to the Clay's residence. But in any case, we're sure that it doesn't go under where we plan to put the house. So additionally, this lower half of the property has a drain field in it. And here's the box where the drain field splits off. And then there is an effluent line. It's a 1.5 inch pressure line that runs over to the Clay's house. And we did the same thing and dug it up. You'll see the cones and the holes. And it goes over to basically that last cone over there. You can see here the 1.5 inch sewer pipe is 18 inches down. The water line was actually 18 inches down on the other one as well. And it goes that direction. And so this 18 inch pipe from this cone to that cone over there, it actually is going to go under our house, which this over here is the corner of our house, this yellow tipped stake. So we need to reroute this pipe, intercept it in this hole, and go over to this metal piece of conduit here, that cone, and then go up along the driveway to that last cone, giving it an L shape instead of a straight line. And that will get it out from under our house and keep it safe, because it'll be along the side of the driveway, not under the driveway. So this piece of conduit here, this metal conduit, I dug this hole yesterday, and it's right next to the pipe, which I could see yesterday, but it's full of water today. But yeah, our proposed route is to change it from here and move the pipe along the driveway to that last cone, and then cut across the yard back and intercept where it was before. And you can see this yellow wooden stick here with the yellow paint on it. That's the corner of the house. So it'll be at least 5 feet away from the house, which will be out here. And the water line that we're digging up, we're all the way over here by the fence line. So it might run along the fence line and cut over here. But in any case, it's away from our house for sure.